Emma lives in a new city. The city is large and busy. Tall buildings fill the streets. Cars move quickly. People walk with purpose. Everything feels unfamiliar to her. Emma moved to this city to build a better future. She wants to learn English well. She knows English is important. But English is not easy for her. When people speak fast, she feels confused. Sometimes she feels shy and afraid to speak. Every morning, Emma wakes up early. She enjoys the quiet time. She opens the window and lets fresh air in. She listens to the sounds outside. Birds sing. Cars start moving. The city slowly comes alive. Emma makes a cup of tea. She sits near the window. She thinks about her goals. She reminds herself to be patient. She tells herself that learning takes time. After breakfast, Emma studies English. She reads short sentences. She listens to simple audio lessons. She repeats words out loud. She writes new words in a small notebook. She practices every day. Some days feel easy. Other days feel difficult. On hard days, Emma feels tired. She feels like giving up. But she remembers why she started. She wants to speak with confidence. She wants to understand people. She wants to feel comfortable in this city. One afternoon, Emma decides to go for a walk. The weather is pleasant. The sky is clear. She puts on her jacket and leaves her apartment. She walks slowly and looks around. She passes small shops and cafes. People sit outside and talk. Laughter fills the air. Emma listens carefully. She understands a few words. Each word she understands makes her happy. Emma enters a small park. Children are playing. Parents are talking. Older people are sitting quietly. The park feels calm and peaceful. Emma sits on a bench and relaxes. She watches people speaking easily. They talk without fear. They smile and laugh. Emma wishes she could speak like them. But she knows she must start small. The next day, Emma needs groceries. She makes a simple list. She practices the words in English. Bread, milk, apples, rice. She feels nervous but determined. She takes her bag and goes to the market. The market is crowded and noisy. People move quickly. Voices are everywhere. Emma walks slowly through the market. She reads signs. She looks at prices. She listens to conversations. She feels nervous, but she stays calm. She stops at a fruit stall. Bright fruits are neatly arranged. The seller looks friendly. He waits patiently. Emma takes a deep breath. She asks for apples. Her pronunciation is not perfect. But the seller understands her. He smiles and gives her the apples. Emma thanks him politely. Her heart beats fast. She feels proud. She just spoke English. She was understood. Next, Emma goes to a bakery. The smell of bread is warm and comforting. She points to a loaf of bread. She says thank you. The baker smiles back at her. After shopping, Emma walks home. She feels tired but happy. She thinks about the conversations. They were short. They were simple. But they were important. At home, Emma puts the groceries away. She sits down and rests. She smiles to herself. She knows progress comes slowly. Days pass. Emma continues practicing English. She listens. She reads. She speaks a little more each day. One evening, Emma visits a small cafe. She wants to try ordering by herself. She feels nervous but excited. The cafe is warm and quiet. Soft music plays. A few people sit inside. The smell of coffee fills the room. Emma stands at the counter. She looks at the menu. The words feel difficult. She reads them slowly. She recognizes a few items. The barista looks at her and smiles. He waits patiently. Emma takes a deep breath. She orders a cup of tea. She asks for milk. She says thank you. Her voice is soft but clear. The barista understands her. He prepares her order. Emma feels relieved. She sits near the window. She drinks her tea slowly. She watches people outside. She feels proud of herself. Emma learns something important. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about trying. It is about practice. It is about courage. Every small step matters. Every day brings progress. Emma knows she will continue learning. She is not afraid anymore.